Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Real News Daily, where we bring you the latest news and updates that shape our world. Today, we're talking about a big story that's got everyone buzzing. CNN halting its broadcast to break some major news on the U.S. economy, all thanks to President Donald Trump's promise to lower inflation. It all started back in January when Trump made a vow to bring an end to the devastating inflation crisis by introducing tariffs and significant tax cuts. He claimed this would ignite an economic boom and revive faith in the American dream. "We're at the beginning of a great, beautiful golden age of business," he pledged from the podium at Mar-a-Lago earlier this year. While many doubted whether Trump could deliver on this promise, it seems that investors are taking notice. On Tuesday, CNN shared some encouraging news. Inflation rates have slowed to their lowest annual levels since February 2021. The Nasdaq is up, the S&P is up, and while the Dow is down slightly, there's a new data point showing that inflation rates are indeed at an all-time low. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like good news for the economy. And it is, but there's also a catch. Despite this progress, fears remain over the impact of President Trump's global trade tariffs on consumer prices. According to the Department of Labor, consumer prices rose 2.3% in April compared to the same time last year. Economists are still warning that American consumers will feel the pinch as these tariffs come into effect. They view this month's report as a test run, and it seems that investors are cautiously optimistic about the direction things are heading. The recent agreement between the U.S. and China marks a significant development in the ongoing trade conflict, with both nations agreeing to implement a temporary truce and pause their respective tariffs for 90 days. So, what does this mean for the future of the economy? For now, it seems like President Trump's efforts are paying off, but we need to keep a close eye on things to see how these policies play out in the long run. That's all for today's Real News Daily. Thanks for joining us.